the students learn about design, problem solving, investigation, communication, teamwork and professional responsibilities, all key aspects for the aeronautical engineer. So aeronautical engineering at the University of Limerick is very much focused on the design and analysis of aircraft and aircraft components and the practical elements then embedded throughout the course. So in years 1 and 2, students study fundamental engineering subjects such as mathematics, mechanics and aerodynamics. In year 3, the students complete an 8-month industry placement in Ireland or Europe or even the US. We have the Design, Build, Fly module in 4th year, where the students work as a team to design, build and test a radio-controlled aircraft. And in their final year then, the students complete a final year project which is self-directed.
I think the quality of teaching and support within UL is excellent. There's so many professors and lecturers that have so much knowledge in their area, and as a student to be able to experience different aspects of engineering through their expertise is incredibly valuable.
So we have cutting-edge state-of-the-art facilities available to the aeronautical engineering students in terms of an aeronautical engineering lab consisting of a wind tunnel to support aerodynamic lab activities. We have extensive composite manufacturing facilities to support composite material manufacturing activities. And we have an aircraft simulator which links into flight mechanics modules and supports flight mechanics module later on in the program.
So when I graduate, I'd like to get into the research and development of propulsion systems for rockets specifically. It's a difficult market, but I really feel as though through my thesis and other aspects of the course, it's really enabled me to try and get into that industry and develop on it. I would absolutely recommend this course to other students.